Hey, this is Doug Smith. I'm doing a evening training. It is Monday, the 24th. And this week we are concentrating on working with a tenant and a landlord. So I just thought that we would go into MLS by going to matrix.netris.net. And of course, this is our MLS. We're going to have a login. It's our license number with a 0 and your own password. Once you log in, you're going to see that you are faced with 14 boxes, 7 on top of 7. Always pick the one in the left corner, Matrix Netris. And once you click on that, you are in the MLS. Okay. So quick training for about 10 minutes. Somebody calls you, you pick up the phone and you say, hey, this is Doug Smith with DHS Realty. Yeah, my name's Fred. I'm trying to see if somebody can help me locate a rental property. Absolutely. Is this your cell phone? Yeah, it is. Do you text? I do. What's your email? fred@fred.com. All right, cool. I'll send you my electronic business card shortly. It links to all my social media, and I'll send you a video on myself, and that way you can get to know me. What were you looking? What areas were you looking? Well, I wanted to look at something 0 to probably $3,000 in Collin County. All right, absolutely. Now, have you ever leased a home before? Yeah, I'm in a current lease now and pay $3,500. All right, sounds good. Well, let me get you off the phone and I will send you a list of properties, and I'm available tonight, this weekend, if you want to look at anything. All right, sounds good. So I get off the phone, I send him my electronic business card, send him a video on my self about YouTube, and then I log into MLS. We know we hover over this search square, and we're going to go residential lease, quick or detailed. Okay, it's whatever you filter with. Once you get into quick, you're going to go over here to price and put 0-3,000 or 0-1,500. Over here, you can do a county or city search. City is separated by a comma, no space. County is the same thing. So Collin County, there's 340 houses because I marked house 315. I marked house, Collin, master down, 0 to 3,000. He says he wants something fairly new. So I'm going to go year 2000 and a plus sign. I just reduced it down to 219. Let's say that now we want to do a 4-bedroom, 4 and a plus sign. 125. That's still too many. So let's say that he wanted 1 acre, 1 and a plus sign. There's 0, so can't do that. That's how you kind of edit everything. You could put Collin County and you could type here Frisco. There's 4. So in Collin County, Frisco, 2,000 plus, 4-bedroom plus, master down, 0 to 3,000, house, there's only 4. So at this point, you're going to hit results, save, new auto email. Results, save, new auto email. Once you do that, you're going to put them in here. So this is going to be Daffy Duck. And you're going to put in an email. You're going to hit save. Here, you're going to say lease homes. You're going to scroll to the bottom and you're going to hit save. And I just emailed the properties. All right. So now he opens them up because I'm going to text him and tell him to look them up. And when he opens them, my phone's going to go off because I set my MLS up like that for my phone to go off when he opens a portal visit. Also, when he favorites a home, I'm going to get a text message. So number one, he says, hey, I think I want to look at 12563 Cardinal. Well, you're going to have to go back in the MLS because most likely you're not going to know that he wants to look at this right now. He's going to text you later and he's going to say, hey, I'd like to look at that property on Cardinal Creek. And you forgot the physical address. So all you do is this search square, you type in Cardinal and hit search and see how many properties come up. Now you can see that there's a few actives right there. So what, 14? But you're looking over here for the leasing and you can see that there it is. It's the third one, 2850 Greyhawk. That's in Frisco. And you click on the MLS number. The MLS number is the agent full report. When you click on it On a lease, it's always good to check it out. So here you have the MLS number. Here you have the address. If you click on the address, it'll show you how the backyard faces the sun. Frisco, you got the county, Collin, you got the price, you've got the lot and the block, you've got how to make an appointment by clicking on that right underneath the clock. That's called showing time or CSS. You can see the square footage is right here. There's the bedrooms, the bath, 2.5 means 2 full, 1/2, 4 living, built in 2008. You scroll down, it's got the bedrooms. The 1 means first floor, the 2 means second floor. It says when move in, dates available 1/17/2022. You scroll down, you always want to look at the private remarks. It says, please submit all TAR applications to myhomecrush@gmail. Please text listing agent when submitted. It gives their phone number. So you've got to read this. It says there's a $65 application fee per person over age 18. Include photo ID, 3 pay stubs, photo of all pets, any written rental reference from previous landlord. All lines of application filled out, no blanks, pets on a case-by-case basis. 200 admin fee due once tenant's application's approved. You can see that that's with Monument Realty, and you can see that they're paying 25% of the first full month's rent, which is $28.50. So, you know, you've got to know that. Down here, this is how you get in touch with the agent. That's the broker. That's the address. That's the licensed listing associate. That is the licensed listing agent license number. That's the listing agent's cell phone. That's the listing agent's email. You've got the broker name here on the far right. That's the broker license number. Underneath there is Trisha Andrews. That's the supervisor. That's her license number, her phone number. If you're writing an offer, these are all things you have to fill in. At the bottom, you can see it says showing instructions, schedule with showing time. Well, showing time, it's right there. You just click on it, it takes you there. Also, the phone number to showing time is 817-858-0055, and you can call showing time also via phone. But it tells you right there, leave lights on as you find them. Don't adjust thermostat. Take off shoes. Agents must accompany their clients. Don't give code out. Sounds to me like it's a combo. That's not, in my opinion, very good to do because somebody will get the combo. So we in our company like to put electronic key boxes for the safety of the property. So nobody throws a match in the house and lights it on fire, even if it is vacant. So anyways, that's how you read this agent full report. Okay. Right up here above the picture of the house, you've got listing, tax. If you click on that, that's the tax roll. That's important if you're going to write an offer. And again, this is called the agent full report because it has the listing agent's contact information. Okay. I hope you found that helpful. And that'll conclude the little quick training for tonight.